Hello everyone, my name is Fraser. My capstone is Project Tripwire. My client was the Defense Manpower Data Center, and my advisor was Sofia and Ariana. So, Project Tripwire is a testing and implementation of a compliance assessment tool for use by the DNBC's information assurance personnel. The problem, so as in recent years, there's been a number of cyber attacks. A couple examples are Google Mail being hacked in China a few years ago, Sony being hacked last year, and to prevent compromises such as this, you have there's compliance organizations out there that require you to monitor systems to a certain level, and you also have an increase in the number of systems you're required to monitor. And in these turbulent economic times, you have a decrease in the amount of people you have to be able to complete these compliance requirements. The solution is to implement a monitoring system capable of performing configuration assessment and change audit. It needs to require as few people as possible to perform the administrative and monitoring task. And it needs to be able to monitor multiple system platforms. The only product suite out there that meets this requirement is Tripwire for Enterprise. So why Tripwire? Once again, it's an all-in-one solution. It monitors and detects monitors and alerts when change is detected, and it's able to assess all configurations against DISA STIGs requirements and detect when your machines are out of policy. It's also the industry gold standard, which helps when it comes to certification and accreditation time. So DISA is the Defense Information Systems Agency, and STIG stands for Secure Technical Implementation Guides. A STIG is a methodology for standardized, secure installation and maintenance of a computer, software, and hardware. So my methodology is to first research how STIGs and vulnerability scans were being handled in DoD and at DNBC. And then I looked into other commercial off-the-shelf products like Tripwire and other government off-the-shelf products such as HPSS, and see how other agencies were using them. Followed up with rebuild of the information assurance test environment, and then importing and implementing the Tripwire enterprise configuration assessment module. My testing phase, originally I was only planning to go to about 50 servers, but after doing the presentation and delivering my implementation to DNBC's information assurance branch, I was asked to increase the number of systems that were being monitored. My deliverables was operational documentation for DNBC, fully implemented Tripwire configuration assessment component, and new information assurance testing environment, a mapping of the operating system rules, which goes to the change audit component, and then a mapping of this STIGs and how Tripwire, which of the STIGs Tripwire was currently handling. So what I learned from my capstone was time management, social networking, importance of professional certifications, the importance of customer support services, and how to balance the confidentiality, integrity, and availability triangle. Here are a few acronyms. Here's another set of acronyms. And I'd like to send a special thanks out to my parents, my girlfriend, my grandfather, DNBC's Information Assurance Branch, which are mostly here right now. Special thanks to Telus Corporation and Tripwire Inc. and anybody else I forgot. If you have additional questions, feel free to stop by my poster in room 120.